As the IT landscape evolves, ExitCertified continues to build, fine-tune, and expand its professional development offerings and courses. Expert training starts with the instructor and is then carried forward through a well-crafted curriculum that fits the needs of both the individual and the industry. As leaders in professional development, ExitCertified provides more value with an evolving curriculum that is taught by highly qualified instructors and delivered through modalities that fit into even the busiest schedules. Keep watching to learn more. Industry-recognized programs. Since 2001, ExitCertified has worked to increase the breadth and depth of its courses and evolved its curriculum to include everything from individual classes to full certification pathways, covering some of the most relevant technologies and software solutions available today. With ExitCertified, you can take what you learn and apply it directly to your work. Whether you choose a single course or a full certification track, you're learning through expertly crafted classwork. Your courses will help you gain clarity, fully understand the information, and boost your productivity with skills and knowledge you can apply to the real world. Expert instructors. ExitCertified's instructors are passionate about their subjects and possess an expert-level understanding of the technologies they teach. Each ExitCertified instructor is fully certified and accredited in the subject matter they teach. These instructors don't just teach IT courses, they deeply understand the material because they've used the concepts in practice. 97% of students are satisfied with the level of expertise their instructors have, and 67% of ExitCertified instructors continue to actively consult, with an average of 15 years served as consultants. Convenient classes. No matter how relevant the course or experienced the instructor, traveling to a training center to sit in a classroom for a week isn't always an option. That's why ExitCertified brings instructors and courses directly to your device with IMVP training. With IMVP, you get the same instructor-led classroom learning experience no matter where you're sitting. ExitCertified instructors are trained to make your virtual learning experience just as engaging as if you were in a physical classroom. Real-world training. With training and certification, workers and businesses can enjoy improved productivity, better results, and increased performance. Business leaders understand that a better trained workforce is central to their company's success at both the individual project and corporate strategy levels. ExitCertified has helped countless individuals boost their technical skill sets to become part of a more effective workforce. Ready to start your training? Then get in touch and see the ExitCertified difference for yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.